going to be a little crazy when we vote for a winner and you get to meet Big Al. All right, so it's going to be a little crazy tomorrow. So I want to make sure right now we have everything ready to roll for next Tuesday. Review sessions. These are up on Google Classroom as well. Anytime this week from 8 to 2. All right, if I'm in school, you can come review with me except for Friday morning. Okay, Friday morning's a no-go. I'm not going to be available Friday morning. But any other time, do I expect people to come? No, because I know you have your other exams and probably going to other review sessions. But hey, I'll be here if you want to stop by and review. The big ones are Saturday and Monday. This Saturday, I'll be in the classroom from 12 to 2:30. And Monday, remember, there is no school next Monday, but I will be here from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. to answer any of your questions. Please help me out. I have no clue if the front entrance of the school will be open, but I can guarantee that back entrance will be open. So if you do come to the Saturday or next Monday review session, probably get dropped off in the back here to come up through those doors because I'm not guaranteeing the front doors are open. Okay, I'm not guaranteed, but I can guarantee the back ones will. When you do come for a review session, I mentioned this last week, you're coming for one of two reasons. You have questions for me, or you just want some quiet space to sit down and do a couple problems and ask me questions. It is not for, we're here when nobody else is here. Let's go around the school and see what it's like. That's not what that's about. You're here for business. All right. I'm not up in the front talking either. I'm just sitting down, walking around. If you have questions, you raise your hand and I'll come right over. All right. This is not a teaching session for me. This is for you guys. All right. This is for you. Also, no review morning of. So Tuesday morning, 8 a.m., you guys have your exam. I'm not going to be here beforehand. You don't practice the day of the game. Okay, you do everything beforehand. Please try to be at the cafeteria 15 minutes before the exam because we do let people in early if we're set to go. And I think you guys will have that down by the time you get next Tuesday because you got, 4 other exams? 4 other exams other than mine. So you'll understand why when our exams comes time. Textbooks I already talked about. Let's get them in. And a reminder, if you need to borrow any supplies, specifically a calculator or a compass, you got to get in here 30 minutes of review with me, whenever that is. All right, I'm not bringing anything for you on Tuesday. I'm not bringing anything for you. If you will need something from me, you know how to get it. And it's not the day of the exam. I just pat you on the back and say, good luck, young buck. Good luck. All right, I don't have anything for you. Any questions about any of that? Going? All set? We know when the reviews are, Saturday afternoon and Monday morning/afternoon. I'll be here. All right, good. All right, so here's the deal today. We're going to start June 2018. We're going to go question by question. You are not going to cheat and look at the answers. And we'll see how you do. We're going to go backwards. We're going to go backwards in the multiple choice. We're going to start with number 24 right now. Number 24. Hey, you want to talk with other people around you? Get out your cold hard fact sheet. Get out your formulas you're not going to be given sheet. Whatever you guys need to use, feel free. All right. The last thing I need you to do is look up the answer. I don't want that to happen because you are going to have to explain why as well. So let's not be that guy or that girl that looks up the answer here. Let's see if you can do this on your own. 24. Chat away if you need to. If you want to try to do it on your own. Dilate in a line. Not a surprise topic, right? Not a surprise topic. You can, but I'm going to stop and go over it. Somebody's going to tell me the answer. All right, we're ready to roll. Here we go. 24. What did we get for we went over this on, I think, Friday, maybe Thursday, but definitely Thursday or Friday we went over this. Dilate a line around 0, 6, not the origin, not the origin. What does y equals negative 3x become with a scale factor of 2? Ho, 14. Great job, as usual. Can't wait for that to be done. 16. Choice 1. That is usually what I expect people to say, right? Because when you dilate a line, we know slope stays the same, right? Because the lines are parallel. And then what we've been doing in class is whatever the old y-intercept is, I multiply that by my scale factor, and I do get 12. Everyone, ears up. That only works if I dilate around the origin. That only works if I dilate around the origin. Everyone good on that? That's why I picked this one first. Around the origin. We are not dilating around the origin, are we? We're dilating around 0, 6. So it is not going to be choice 1 because I'm not dilating around the origin. 2. Choice 2 is correct. Here's why. I graphed the line already for you. By the way, speaking of graphing, what are on the last 2 pages of your Regents exam next Tuesday? Last 2 pages will be what? Formula sheet and a scrap piece of graph paper. Graph this line to see what it looks like if it's not the origin. Because when you do, notice where 0, 6 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's on the line. And if the center of dilation is on the line, nothing happens. All good? Nothing happens. It stays exactly where it is. All right, good, Matt. So it doesn't change. Oh, here we go. I got to get rid of all this stuff. It's the end of the year. I was just packing this thing first period. Oh, we hear a lot of bags shaking around, don't we, Matt? Yep. I got to get rid of all of these here. Boy, a lot of bags. I don't know if they're expired bags or not. What do you think? Should we go with one of the bags for Matt or just get something else here? Okay, good talk. I'll go with one of the bags, and we will go with some Hershey Kisses here for you, Matt. All right. Oh, we're good. Nope, maybe not. April 2022. So good luck. Good luck. All right, there we go. Next up, just keep going. Actually, this is not it. That's what I wanted to put up there. Just a reminder for everyone. Go ahead, number 23. Go ahead, 23. Without even, you'll set up a diagram, but without even setting up a diagram, I should have everyone in their heads knowing what I'm going to need to use to solve this problem, just because of the phrase that's in the directions. And if not, okay, maybe we'll remember when we do it. What do we think for this one? Right up here. Altitude to the hypotenuse. Let's go 9. Darn right you did. Choice 1. What'd you use, Shannon? Darn right, hills. Altitude to the hypotenuse becomes a Hills SAS question. Should have been 24 hypotenuse over 10 leg. Write this down. I should have had 24 hypotenuse, leg 10, same leg 10, segment next to 10. That was ED, what you were trying to find. 4.2. Good work. Good work. Shayna, all right. Here we think you got a shot tomorrow, huh? Think you got a shot tomorrow? You don't know. All right. Such competition you're going up to it. All right. Well, actually, she's got a speech to do tomorrow, right? So I should probably let her use some just to write down your notes on Shayna. How about some Post-it notes? Congratulations. Yes. Not even open yet, by the way. Even better. All right. I should have opened and took some off. All right. Next up. Go ahead. 22. Just a heads up. A lot of people in period 2 got this one wrong because they used the wrong formula. Make sure you know what this one's asking and use the appropriate formula. And I believe if you use the wrong formula, shocker, the answer's there too. If you use the wrong formula. Ready to roll? 17. What do you got for me? It is not 1. I'm sorry. It is not 1. Measure over 3. So here's what you did for me. Measure over 360 times r pi. R pi? R pi? R pi? 6. Correct. Correct. Real quickly, this was length of an arc. Length of an arc. That's measure over 360 times your circumference, pi d. Versus, hopefully you didn't use this one, area of a sector. That's measure over 360 times pi r squared. That's what you would have used if I said, hey, find the area of sector AOB here. Okay? Hey, great job, Lauren. Oh, look at what we got. Geez, what do we got in here? Oh, we got more bags in here, huh? We hear that, yep. Look at all these different devices. I think I'm going to go outside the box here, literally. And we'll give you this. Not too sure. Tiger Tribe coloring set, mermaids. Looks like we got a notebook in there. I'll just let you look up. We got stickers, markers, different things you can color. Wow, this looks unbelievable.
I'm going to change that.
Congratulations, Lauren. I told you I have a dealer. All right, I have a random stuff dealer that I meet at 4 corners behind the marketplace. All right, and we exchange stuff. All right. All right, next up. Next up, 21. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. I should be thanking you. Thank you. Since I have to get rid of all this. Right away, you're given those ST and PR are parallel. Woo! We know something about the triangles, don't we? I just hope you don't fall in. There's a trap on this one. Hope you don't fall in it. What is he talking about? Do I have the right answer now? Bless you. What do you say, huh? What do you say? 4? Griff? 17 and a half. He is correct. Griff, just a quick question. What did you label X on your diagram? QT. All right. If some of you labeled QT and you circled choice 3, that's because you fell into the trap and you didn't read the problem. The problem was QR. You found QT. So that's why if anybody got 12 and a half and you labeled QTX, got to add 5 to it. All right. Got to add 5 to it. 5 over 7 equals X plus 5 over X. That's what it looked like. Did anybody label QRX and go X minus 5 instead? Good job, Paul. That's good too. That's good stuff right there. Griff, how do you think you're going to do on this?
Pretty well.
Pretty well? You got a number for me?
96.
96? Ooh, yeah. What would happen if you got the Hundo Challenge? Get away from me. No? Okay. Don't even think. Get away. Get it away.
You gave me a used notebook.
Is that a surprise? Like, is anybody surprised right now that I gave her a used notebook? No. There's everything else looks pretty good. I didn't touch it. Right? Don't even worry about it. I don't even look at it. All right, Griff, this is what you're gonna get because I feel like you're this type of guy. You're gonna get from me unopened, so you know that's special. A multi-tool pen set. So not only is this a pen, you got a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver in there. You got the pen acts as a level, a ruler, super bright LED light, and a stylus top to it. Congratulations. Batteries and 2 ink refills are included. Basically a utility pen right there. And all I got was a coloring book.
Used one. A used coloring book.
Number 20. Come on now. It's going to be there. What's the equation of the circle? And my choices are not in the form I like. Oh, and there's still more to come. I think I'm recycling these after class. I definitely got to give at least 3 more things. My expectation, you should be able to write the circle equation on your own, at least on your own. You should be able to write the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared all on your own. And then what you do from there to figure out the correct answer is up to you. But you should at least be able to write this equation on your own. All right. When you're ready, let me know. This one was a tougher one, longer one. 3. Take your time, Eva. Let me know when you're ready.
Number 1.
I do not have number 1. I'm sorry. 16. Do we ever go 16?
Yeah.
All right. 22. Oh boy. 2 is correct. Yes. All right. Here's what I expect. This is look. This is 5,2. O is 5,2, and it's got a radius length of 4. I expect right now at this time, x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared, not equals 4, equals 16. That should be good. Now, where you go from here is up to you. I showed you the other day, you can multiply. Double distribute. Oh, sorry, not squared. Plus y minus 2 times y minus 2, double distribute. And then move any numbers over to the other side. The other option is go through each of these and complete the square to see which one is x minus 5 and y minus 2. Which one did you go with, Eva?
I did the second option.
So you completed the square and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, if you complete the square on number 1, you should get x plus 5 and y plus 2 instead, right? Okay, and not the minus versions, which is the next one. Quan, there we go. Just totally blanked. You will not have to worry about one of the supplies on your list because I got you taken care of. A brand new, heavy duty compass for you. Whoa. This is legit. Congratulations. 19 should be a quick one. Which one carries it onto itself? How many degrees? I at least got to give out 2 more here. Take it for a spin there, Quan. It's legit. Take it for a spin. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Might want to open it up a little, just saying.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Nice going.
Too bad you were not going to know how to do the construction, but it's okay. You got a nice compass to go along with it. All right, yep, this should have been a quick one, right? What's going to carry it onto itself? Do not expect the first answer to be there. All right, so don't panic. Don't expect the first answer to be there. 13.
3.
Choice 3, 216. 360 divided by 5. You guys noticed 72 was not there, correct? So I keep adding 72, keep adding 72, and keep adding 72. Good deal? All right, let's see. What do I have left here? I think you guys saw this last week or the week before. Who knows? But I'm getting rid of it, so it's not in my possession anymore. So congratulations, Meg. Grab your keys and put them on your new Santa little puffy keychain. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yep. Throw some keys on there. Ooh, 18. Oh boy. Oh boy. Not something we've talked about in depth at all. Not something we've talked about in depth. But not an excuse, right? This might just be calling on 4 people and the last person gets it. Before I call on somebody, a little bonus. What's point M called? Point M? Centroid. That's where all the medians intersect. Centroid. I asked that because now you got to know the centroid fact to get this problem right. Okay? And that's a centroid. 16. Oh, Nicole, you dropped the ball earlier. 14. 5. I think it is 1 as well. Breaks up the median in a ratio of 1 to 2. So 3 times x is equal to all the median SC. You add it up, 3x. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. All right, Greg. Here we go. This one looks like right up your alley here. Unopened. It's going to be unopened. Transparent. Transparent. Tape. Roll the tape. Congratulations. Way to go. All right. I think we got time for one more. 17. You are going to have to maybe look this one up if you don't remember the rule. What is ArcDB? It is a circle fact. Those weren't our friends on the review quiz, right? floater angle. 58 is what we call it. It's not central. It's not inscribed. It's called a floater. We got to remember how to find a floater angle. 58 is your floater angle. I don't think the Cold Hard Facts calls it a floater, but I do. All right, when you're ready, let's roll.
I'm fine. It's just for you.
I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to recycle it as soon as you give it to me. All right.
Maybe I'll like secretly tape it up in your room.
I'll secretly put it in the recycling. Actually, you know what? I'll bring it Tuesday, and I'll hold it up in front of the cafeteria with the waste paper basket right below. And good luck, Lauren, on your test. Or maybe I'll even better, just bring it lighter. See ya.
Please do that. Please.
10. 3 is correct. Yes. 1/2. 72 plus x. That's how I find a floater. I add the two arcs and divide by 2. All right, Jonah, I don't know how your study habits are going to be for this. I don't know. It could go either way with you, I guess. So just in case all these exams I just put up on Classroom weeks ago aren't enough, I got you a nice book of extra exams with the answer key here. Now, probably if you had to go out and buy this, it's probably going to cost you $2. You'd probably sell it to some of your friends for. $100 right now. There it is. 100. What do we got? Time for one more, maybe? What do we think? Oh yeah, definitely. Come on, hurry up. 16. I got 2 minutes 1 minute on the clock. Can we get through 16? And I'll even give you a hint on this one. You rotate it around BC. BC, not AC. You rotate it around BC. Don't rotate it around AC. Rotate it around BC. Oh boy, 30 seconds. Oh, 3. Eva, you already went, correct? Yeah. 6 already went, right?
No, I didn't.
Yep. 20? One job. He missed it. 10 already went. 11? Paul? Choice 3, yes, is correct. Paul, go outside today. It's a nice day. Your Minnie Mouse little helicopter in your hand that flies around. Congratulations. It is sick, Mahmood. You're darn right. No remote needed. Let's go.
Sorry. I'm not thinking.
Okay, ready? This is fun. This, remember what you were finding, was the, read it, line segment A prime, B prime. So those are the intervals after being dilated. See what I mean? So your So whatever the line segment was, which is what they're asking for, AB, I dilated it by 1/2 and I got 10. So what must it have been at the beginning to dilate by 1/2? See you, everybody. What are you doing, Ella? You and your deuces get out of here, all right? Meg?
Too late to turn in at.
You got until tomorrow.
Alright,
Got until tomorrow to show me.
I have it.
Okay, let me pull it up on Aspen real quick so I know we're talking the same language here. Let's see, log in. No. But you do have to take your prize when you leave the cafeteria next Tuesday. That's that option. If you win, anyway. If you win. All right, I'm missing 2 assignments here. First one is page 822 in the textbook, 6, 13, and 18. Okay, put that one in. And the second one I have here is packet page, Unit 12, packet page 6, and page 850, 9, 13, 18, 37, 46. All right, we're good. Should be all set to go then.
Thanks.
All right, good luck tomorrow, ladies. Good luck.
Thank you.
This is big. Name, picture up on the board forever in history going down.
Maybe if we just make fun of me.
I have a really bad school picture.
Yeah. I think I know something that's hilarious. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Take care. Behave.
Yeah. Bye.
can come in.
Rick, I'm to go to you for want to know what wants.
All right, so I'm just gonna ask a plain question, honest answer, please. Like, is this legit or not?
Yeah.
Because when I say legit, like, we bust our ass here, and we don't have time for guys that are, you know what? I think I got 38 guys on the team right now.
Yeah.
All right, and we don't have the time or the space for guys that are like, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. We'll see how it goes, and they show up to nothing. Don't put any effort in to
Yeah, I
learn
understand.
anything. Don't weight lift with us in the summer. Nothing. You know, we just don't have the space for those type of guys. All right, so if this is a serious thing, it's all in or it's nothing. Okay, it's not going to be show up August whenever the first practice is. Hey, can I get some helmet and shoulder pads and turn it up?
I understand.
Okay. So I think this is something that you guys might want to go home and think about for a few days and see if you're really, because in the summertime we get rolling with weightlifting 4 days a week. We got a camp in August that we go to in Ravenna, and then we start August 20th and we really get it rolling. So something to think of. It's not just because my buddy's doing it. That's not the reason to play. It's because I'm really serious. I want to know the game of football, and I want to be part of this team that's growing pretty quickly. Okay, so I apologize for laying it on pretty thick, but I want you guys to know what you're getting into. All right, that at this point with 38 guys on the team, I need to know if guys are all in or not. Because for the guys that are not, I don't have the time at all for. Okay, so something to think about. When you do make a decision, come back and see me, and we'll go from there.
Can you email to?
Yep, that's fine. Yep.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yep, you can just type it in and it'll pop up.
Gotcha.
Okay,
Thank
thanks, guys.
William Bradley, please report back to yearbook pickup. William Bradley to yearbook pickup.